Well, welcome back everybody to BRS, Bears Rod Shop, for Tuesday here in a wonderful Texas warm morning. Today's agenda is kind of a mixed bag. Sunday I was watching Craig's workshop, and loved to watch that young man, and he's getting a really nice shop all finished out and getting back on to making some really good videos. But I saw where he was begging all of us to look at Tool Fest 2021 this year. So I went ahead and wrote down Emma's Spareroom Machineshop, her site over there on YouTube. And sorry if this camera shaky a little bit, but I've got standing up here on my bad knee. Anyhow, for more details about this event that comes up November the 24th, there is the tag that you put in on your video in the title or in the description, and join in with other creators this year. We're going to do this, be our first event ever on YouTube. So we plan on entering this event. We're not for sure. Have made some tools here this past couple of years, and this year I don't really have time to start a new project before the November 24th this year event, but we'll come up with something, and it doesn't have to be a complicated tool, sophisticated, but go to her site. She explains it real well, the details and how to prepare the videos. But join in, spread the word. Let's all creators, whether we're hobbyists or we're professionals, maybe we can get some of my viewers, Mr. Joe Pye, Pete 222. Hopefully, Pete, you'll join in. Love everything you guys do. And Adam, you're getting back off your adventure. Please join in. A-Bomb 79. And especially Blondie Hacks, Gwen, I hope you join in and you're watching my videos and you really consider. Don't know if you are or not, but it'd be great. But the old Dayton bandsaw, I need it desperate. And so I'm back on it a little bit this morning trying to get the legs fixed. This drill tree that I don't know if you call it a creation or an invention or whatever, but that J.D. Wallace arm that's sticking out here and lets me get out here. And this would have been really a pain to put on the mill back there, the angle and the size of it. So sawhorse is out. I'm not going to sit here and drill all four of these holes out. They're already in there, but I'm going to increase them so we can put this 4 sets of casters with locks on them. I was only going to use 2, and you know what? Make it a lot easier for me to roll this around and lock this down with 4. And if I don't like if it moves around, I'll end up taking 2 off. But this is that drill tree that I posted a couple of months ago, and sure makes it nice. I don't like the clamping because of angle, but I drilled this hole out a while ago. No move, no fuss, no mess. And I don't know if I'm going to be allowed to put this one on there. If it is, I'm going to do a full video on all the functions it does. I will show it when the head is rotated, goes to horizontal as well. And if y'all like this, give me some comments, please. And I'd sure like to know if anybody would like to know the particulars on this bill. This is the J.D. Wallace 1950 Granddad's old saw. And yes, it also is my English wheel. I'll probably, if I do show this in detail, I will have somebody help me edit the video showing the English wheels on. Here is the pedestal for the bottom rollers. Got an 8-inch roller. All this comes off over here, and this base comes off with the drill press. And I'm gonna definitely go ahead and go to 24 volt DC, 3.5 horsepower pinchiometer motor controller. That is the slowest this drill press will go. It's way too fast, and it's got to be able to tap as well and have reverse. So again, please, to all my viewers and subscribers, spread the word for the Tool Fest 2021. Got to have your videos out by November the 24th. And so we're working hard towards that goal. And please share, please subscribe, put the comments down below, and come back and visit us as much and as often as you can, and help us grow. Bears Rod Shop, we're out. One last look, November the 24th. Spread the word, guys. May God bless.